everybody, welcome to Alex Kids Fun. Today we're gonna have a video that includes some art. We're gonna be painting rocks. Yeah! That's right, we're at this beautiful beach location where we can collect all the rocks we need. Let's go! Yeah, beach shot! Let's start the exploring! Come on, let's go quick! That sure is a heavy bucket. Yeah, here's a tip for how to get the best rocks. If you want the best rocks, you should always have something in mind. But if you don't, you can pick a whole bunch of different rocks. Make sure they're smooth or it will be super difficult to paint them. Step 2, put a tablecloth so we don't make a mess everywhere. Alright, now that we have these beautiful rocks, we really want to paint. But first, what do we need to do? Put them in the water and clean them. With what? Toothbrushes! Old or new? Old! That's what we're using, old toothbrushes. Let's get started. So, this one has a bit of seed. Orange spot. Perfect. It looks good. Now it needs to dry. Oh, that's a lot. Big rock. That one. Do the bright rock. That's the down. Whoa! See how this one has a cool line, except some of the cool line. If your rocks aren't smooth enough to paint, you can apply primer. But if they are smooth enough, you can go straight to painting. Acrylic paint works best on rocks. Based on your design, you might want to add some detail. So you can use a marker or a pen or something to do detail. Now that our rocks are dried, let's paint them. Ooh, this is squeezy. You have to squeeze it. Look. The word goes. Look. Ooh, that's funny. Okay, that's the shade of blue. Okay, I guess it's time to put the lid back on. I'll see if I can. You can use these just as inspirations for your own channels, or you could do it for fun. And if you want to do something similar to ours, you can follow step by step. Sometimes when you're painting rocks, you'd like to add a couple layers to match your taste. You can keep adding layers until you like your rocks the way they are. Now that we've done the background, we're gonna let them dry. After that, we'll do our details. Alright, now that our rocks have dried, we're gonna add the details. Yeah, let's do it and paint. What should I add here? Alright, if you want to, you can go ahead and draw some stuff with a black marker or a different color marker on your rock. Once you're done painting your rock and you're happy with all the details, you'll be ready for the last step. That's putting on acrylic varnish. Acrylic varnish will make your rocks waterproof so the paint doesn't wash off. Let's get started. Acrylic varnish. Ah. Look how shiny your painted rocks became! Even the shiny parts are even shinier. Wow, that's so cool! It's awesome, isn't it? Yeah, which one of these painted rocks do you like the most? Here comes step 8, the final step. It is to put your rocks around your house as decorations, give them as gifts, or other fun things. There's loads of things you can do with your rocks. Thanks for watching. We hope you really got inspired. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.